equal to log mod sin x, that is the GOF. And next example, find the inverse function of the pair element function f is equal to 2, 7, 3, 9 and 4, 1. It is easy to show that the f inverse is equals to 7, 2, 9, 3 and 11, 4. Now you complete this work in your register. First question, second question and third question and fourth question with relative to inverse function, domain, range. Now we will discuss some more definitions, and the next definition is binary operation. Let's start. Definition of binary operation. Let A be a non-empty set and a function f from A cross A tends to A is called a binary operation on A. Binary operation is also a function from a pair element to single element. And the other definition is an operation O is called a binary operation on the set A if A, B are the two elements of the A and then operate with a operation B is also belongs to A for all values of A, B, then it is also called the closed set on A with the operation O. Then this operation is called the binary operation on a given set. In this form, O is a operation and apply within two elements of a set, and then after then we find a single value is also belongs to given set, then the operation is called the binary operation. For example, let O is a operation on a set, then on a natural number set defined as the O is a operation B such that A plus B. Here the operation O is explained by the addition. So it is a binary operation because the sum of the any two natural numbers is also a natural numbers. Here the note point, if A, B is belongs to A and the A operation B is also belongs to A for all values of A, B, then we can say that the O is a binary operation, and this operation is also called the closure property on a given set. Now you will study and explain these questions so that it is the binary operation or not. Second question, and then study the law of binary operation. First of all, commutative. A binary operation O on a on a set is a commutative if x operation y equals to y operation x for all values of x, y belongs to A. That is the formula and condition of the commutative property, commutative operation on a binary operation. The binary operation is also a commutative and associative. Second property is associative. A binary operation O on a given set A is associative if A operation y operation z is equal to x operation y operation z for all values of x, y, z belongs to A. For example, addition and multiplication are the associative and commutative होते हैं, and subtraction or division are not the commutative and associative. Now you will do the next questions so that the following operation are the commutative or associative are not. तो आज की क्लास यहीं कंप्लीट होती है. ओके, थैंक यू.